to launch. You don't even need to know how it works, it just does. An estimated $1 trillion of intellectual property stolen. Once hacked, it's too easy for attackers to share your paid products on black hat and torrent sites. Some product creators have had this happen even before they launched their product. All that work, and potential profit, gone. Blacklisted by the search engines. The long-term damage to your online reputation can be devastating. Set and forget WordPress security in minutes. Blog Defender is the most advanced, all-in-one WP site security system available today. It protects against all kinds of hackers, bots and data miners, and is now faster and easier to have up and running than ever before. Secure your sites and client sites in a matter of minutes. Here's how Blog Defender is going to secure your most valuable assets. At the core of the system are 3 plugins that once activated will work 24/7 in the background, protecting your sites. Click the link below to get Blog Defender. Step-by-step video training to lock down any WP sites. 8 no fluff, to-the-point videos walk you through the process of securing your sites and those of your clients. Video Module 1. Preparation. Hosting, local security and installing plugins. Video Module 2. Backup WordPress. Choose backup locations, run first backup, schedule future backups. Video Module 3. Security plugin setup. Initial setup, whitelist IP, global settings, system tweaks. Video Module 4. Scan WP for malware. Scan with WordFence. Get your virus total API key, cleaning infected files. Schedule scanning, file change detection. Video Module 5. Hide WordPress. Hide login area, change admin user, change content directory. Change database prefix, WordPress tweaks. Video Module 6. Defend WP with a firewall. 404 detection, banned users, user logging. Brute force protection, automatically ban admin users. 9 additional video tutorials show you how to manage your sites and those of your clients, making sure they stay healthy, active, fast and free from problems, as well as how to deal with common problems like plugin conflicts and more. This entire security package is included and completed with a WP Security PDF as a handy extra resource. Your business deserves to be protected. Funny how we'll lock up something that costs money, but not take the same care with assets that actually pay us. Not many would leave their car unlocked in a busy downtown parking lot. But leaving a money site completely unprotected? That's like leaving bags of money in the open trunk of an unlocked car in the busiest parking lot on the planet. Relax knowing your sites are secured with Blog Defender. Focus on building your business and profits. Knowing your sites are protected and the plugins are working 24/7 to keep you safe from attack. Add a new income stream by selling site security as a service with the included developer rights license. 26 million out of 36 million self-hosted WP sites run little or no security. These sites are easy targets. Don't be one of them. Protect yourself and your financial future by securing your Blog Defender license today. Sounds great, Matt, but will Blog Defender work for me? It most certainly will, in fact, I guarantee it. The Blog Defender 100% unconditional, ironclad 30-day money-back guarantee. If for any reason you're not happy with the product within 30 days of your investment, you're entitled to our 100% money-back guarantee. No quibbles, no buts, no bad feeling. But I'm not stopping there. Configure the plugins and follow the simple instructions, and you'll start getting real-time feedback on the number of attacks Blog Defender has prevented. If this doesn't happen, if you don't feel your sites are secure, or if you don't see the potential in offering site security as a paid service, Just contact our support desk and we'll gladly refund your small investment. Blog Defender 2022 Special Local Agency Edition Bonuses. WordPress security is a massive and ongoing problem for local businesses. They've generally struggled to get a site up and running. And now they need to work out how to secure it and their client data as well. Most are more than happy to get someone else to take care of it for them. That's where you come in. Blog Defender shows you exactly how to secure your clients' sites and gives you the premium plugins to do it with. But that's not all. Number 1, you get our local business security blog post article for you to use on your local agency site. Number 2, and you get our unbranded local business site security checklist that you can use as a lead generation giveaway. Give them the steps they need to go through to secure their site. Then offer to do it all for them by simply adding your page link. Get your Blog Defender 2022 Agency Edition bonuses today. Scroll down and hit the buy button now.